Hey there! What if you could build and edit a full Gantt chart with just a single prompt? No setup, no headache, just using everyday language to describe your project while AI handles the rest. Today, I'll show you how to create a complete project plan using the TeamGantt AI Gantt chart maker GPT that's right inside of ChatGPT. We'll create a project that stays synced with a live editable Gantt chart in TeamGantt. This isn't just a generic prompt that creates an equally generic plan. It's a GPT that was purpose-built by TeamGantt and designed specifically for project planning. First, make sure you have GPT 4.0, the recommended GPT model, enabled. Then, the GPT walks you through how to get started. You can start by selecting one of these options. Choose how you'd like to start. You can upload an existing plan, describe your project in plain language, or let the GPT draft an initial task list for you. Let's describe a project. Just use simple, plain language and include basic information like create a robust project plan for redesigning a marketing website for a software company. Call the project Marketing Site Redesign. The project should begin on January 1st, 2026 and run for 10 weeks. Then the GPT begins to build your plan. It starts by giving you a work breakdown structure, or WBS, that you can review and adjust before it builds your Gantt chart. This includes all of your plan's information, like item type, task, or milestone, the group that the item lives in, its name, duration, preceding items that it depends on so the chart can include any dependencies, resources assigned to the item, and any notes. It also calls out any highlights or important assumptions it made when creating the plan. Once you're ready for the GPT to build your Gantt chart, just tell it to. Now, you'll need a free TeamGantt account in order to use this GPT. Mine is already connected, but if you don't have one, don't worry. There's a free forever plan and no credit card is required to create or use it. If you don't have yours connected yet, the GPT will prompt you to connect it or quickly create one here before moving on. After the GPT creates your Gantt chart in TeamGantt, it will give you a summary of what it's included. It will also let you know if anything has been left out. You can prompt the GPT to include it, or you can go to your plan where you can modify and adjust things there. In TeamGantt, your Gantt chart has been created with all of your plan's groups, tasks, milestones, and dependencies. Everything is easily editable within TeamGantt, and anything can be moved or adjusted either from TeamGantt or even with the GPT. For instance, let's say we want the website launched milestone to take place on Monday, March 23rd instead of Wednesday, March 18th. You can just prompt the GPT, go back to the Gantt chart and refresh, and the milestone has been moved to the new date. A lot of Gantt chart GPTs look impressive at first, but they usually generate static files, require paid signups before you see value, or stop helping once the plan is created. TeamGantt's GPT is different. It shows value immediately, helps you revise your plan conversationally, and connects directly to a real project management tool. Once you're in TeamGantt, you can fine-tune your schedule with drag and drop editing, assign resources, collaborate with your team, and keep everything up to date as the project evolves. So if you want a faster, easier way to plan projects, try the TeamGantt AI Gantt chart maker GPT in ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project planning tips. See you next time.